Okay, so I'm here with a different type of video. I'm going to use this tool. Okay, so today I want to go through what I do when I wear my hair straight and do a blowout. I don't use a flat iron anymore. I used to, but I'm just not into like the stick straight. However, if you do like flat irons, the Longe flat iron is amazing and that will hold my hair straight for days. So I want to go over the products that I use before I blow dry my hair and what I do. My hair is about 50% dry. I'm going to use this tool. And the reason why I love this tool so much is because it will give me a sleek blowout. I only use this tool about maybe once a month, maybe once every other month, because this does get really hot. It is the Revlon One Step. It does get really hot. I use it in months. Actually, I've been curling my hair. So my hair is about 50% dry. You want to view this the styling tool and not a blow dryer. So if I were you, if you don't have the time to let your hair air dry, I would take like a regular blow dryer and blow dry it like 50%. And even now, like I feel like it's still a little too wet, so I may do that also. The first thing that I put into my hair is the color Wow. It's called the Dream Cocktail Coconut Infusion. It's a leave-in, defreezes, smooths, and silkens. So I take about 3 pumps of that. I rub it into my hands, and I only go like from here down, because I don't want my roots to be super oily. Now, whatever's left on my hands, I will like run it through the rest of my hair. Okay, so days that I don't use that, I do like the Bumble and Bubble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. This is a good one. This is a good heat protectant. This has heat protectant in it also, so I'm not going to use this today, but this is good also. To get some like grit on my roots, but without making them feel super sticky, I use the Redken Volume Spray Foam. Now I'm almost out of this. When I am out of this, I'll try something different, but I do like the Big and Sexy one too also, but I've had this forever. So what you want to do is just part your hair like where you want it. And then literally all I do is I take like where I want the volume. So I want the volume to be at the root. So I go underneath, so shake it up, and it's like a foam. And then I go down. This is almost out, I can tell. And I don't have another one right now, but see how the foam is? And then I like root right here, and then like almost all the way down my hair. And then I will take my fingers and I will literally just put that into my roots. And that gives like a hold, but it doesn't give it sticky. Now I use texturizing spray when I'm about to wash my hair. So this is good enough for me. So now that I have the 2 products in that I don't use very many products because I find if I use a lot of products, then my hair just gets weighed down and it looks bad. So what I'm gonna do, I split my hair off. So I do the underneath first. And this has 2 settings, high and low, and then it has a cool. I use the high. So what I'll do is I go underneath first, and then I'll go up here like that, and then I'll go underneath, and this is all with the heat. And then once it's dry, I will go one more time and I'll hit it with the cool shot so it sets it in place. And I'll show you what I do when I get to the top. So I put the fan on because it gets extremely hot. I'm gonna do the first layer and the second layer in speed up motion so you guys don't get bored. So this is the sound of it. It gets very Okay, one thing I want to say is that I don't hit the ends until I'm about like done drying and hitting it with a cool shot because I don't want my ends to be fried. So we're gonna split this. So I take like this portion because I want like my crown, because I do that a little bit different. So if you have a clip it would be better, but I literally don't have a clip. Like I can't find any of my clips. It's going up. Okay, so to get the volume, I always go straight up. So I'm taking this last section, I'm going to comb it forward, and literally I'm going to take this section, I'm going to blow dry it up and back, and then also this section because I like how it falls when I get done blow drying. So okay, so as you see, I took my bangs and I went like this. I just like them out of my face like that. Sorry you hear the fan, it's hot in here. So this is what it gives me, a really sleek, cute blowout look. So to finish off the style, I take this Moroccan oil light. I wanted to try this, so I got the smaller one. And I take like dime size, and I will just put this at the ends of my hair. And that's all she wrote. I like how this comes out. To me it looks pretty, and it stays for a couple days. So there you go. So for a hot tool that you can use for a different type of style, I know Ulta will have it on sale, I believe next Thursday. I think it's gonna be $29.99, and that's a good time to get it if you're interested. If you like this type of video, love it if you like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye guys.